Hey everybody, John here from Courthouse Technologies once again, and today I want to talk to you about a new way to deploy your jury management system. This is specifically for all you IT managers out there that are responsible for the upkeep and ongoing maintenance of your court's jury management system. What I want to talk about is Courthouse Cloud. Courthouse Cloud is our off-premises private hosting solution for our jury platform. Instead of the IT personnel being burdened with the responsibility of upkeeping and maintaining our jury system, Courthouse Technologies will do that for you. With me today to help explain it in a little more detail is one of our senior developers, Suki Binpal. So Suki, why would courts consider a hosted environment for their jury operation?
Well, we all want to streamline a jury operation, and a new piece of software will certainly help you do that. But along with any new software application, you need the underlying infrastructure to run it on. And by that, I'm not just talking about the hardware costs, we're talking about all of the resources required to manage that infrastructure. All of this costs money. In some cases, it can seem like too much money.
So you're talking about startup costs?
Well, yeah, but that's just the beginning. I mean, let's not forget all of the ongoing costs that come with this. Your data center costs, network services, upgrades, backups, power and cooling. Let's not forget implementing a data recovery plan. And of course, with all of this, you need the staff to manage it all. I mean, all of the typical things you would look at in the past to implement a software system.
This doesn't even take into account the expertise required to run and maintain a niche piece of software.
Oh yeah, of course. So if you take the cost of ownership and the time to realize a return on the investment, I mean, that cost of ownership can just seem too high. For some courts to provision an application like this, I mean, it could be difficult due to a court's size or lack of resources or even both.
So how does Courthouse Cloud solve these issues?
Well, with Courthouse Cloud, we're not only providing you with industry-leading jury management system, but also the underlying infrastructure that is required to run it on. Our jury management system is installed in a Class A facility where a private cloud can be scaled to any demand. What I want you to understand, John, is that Courthouse Cloud is intended to be consumed by courts of any size, regardless of whether you're doing 1 million summonses a year or 500 summonses a year. You are still benefiting from the best software, best hardware, and expert resources to maintain all of that. And all without the cost of ownership and the added burden to your IT department.
So what kind of maintenance are we talking about?
Well, with Courthouse Cloud, we provide daily backups, built-in redundancy, state-of-the-art security, port monitoring, both software and hardware upgrades, server maintenance, comprehensive disaster recovery plan. And with all of that, we provide a 99% guarantee of no downtime.
What about database licensing?
Well, we provide that too. I mean, as you can see, your cost of ownership has gone down drastically. What we've done here is we've eliminated the unnecessary overhead involved. I mean, we're still providing access to a state-of-the-art system while providing the best maintenance available.
So what makes Courthouse Cloud so easy?
Well, first off, Courthouse JMS and all of our products and services for that matter, they're already installed, they're tested and ready to go. I mean, so Courthouse Cloud provides a certain immediacy to the court that traditional software installation just cannot provide. I mean, there's no need to provision any hardware, test any networks, or even install any software for that matter.
What does the court need to provide?
Well, I mean, all they really need to provide us is their source data and sample documentation that the court requires. From there, we will configure the software to meet your business needs and provide comprehensive training to your jury staff.
So it looks like your time to deployment has been cut in half because your overhead has vanished.
Oh, at the very least. I mean, when you start a project with Courthouse Technologies and you're using our cloud solution, you're immediately provided with a private cloud. I mean, that's a secure computing environment that is dedicated to your jury operation. Not only that, we provide a set of jury management experts to maintain and manage it all for you. I mean, hey, what more can you ask for?
So Suki, what's the best part about Courthouse Cloud?
Well, the best part is that you get access without the cost of ownership. This is because you pay as you consume in a software as a service deployment. With ownership, you pay whether you're consuming or not. With Courthouse Cloud, you only pay for what you use.
So you mean if your usage goes down, what you pay goes down?
Exactly.
Well, thanks, Suki, for clarifying that for us. So all you IT managers out there, if you would like to see a new way of implementing your jury management system, if you'd like to ease the burden on your infrastructure and have us host the solution for you, Courthouse Cloud might be just the thing. If you have any questions or you'd like to know more, check out betterjurymanagement.com or give us a call. This is John and Suki for CHT. Until next time, thanks a lot.